Tools for installation. Use the hammer and a flat blade screwdriver to open the wooden box. Take out the accessories on the dental chair. Remove the plastic packaging film. Place the three-way syringe and handpiece to be in order. Turn on the power and raise the dental chair. Remove 4 screws cover fixing the base plate to the pallet. Move the chair in the position. Install the lamp arm, column and align it with the card slot after insertion. Install the lamp arm. Need to pass the wire first and make it straightened. Put the lamp wire into the column. Insert the lamp plug into the card slot. Install the handle. Install trim ring connect light pole. Adjust the pole tightness with set screws. Open the side box cover. Connect the lamp post together. Install the film viewer. Install the cup filter and flushing filter. Fix the screws of the auxiliary control rotating rod. Install the assistant three-way syringe and the strong and weak suction tube. Install the doctor instrument syringe. Install the headrest in the right position. Connect the blue pipe to the water pipe and the transparent pipe to the air pipe. After connecting, tighten the nut. Connect the 3 drainage pipes to the drain area. Testing the dental chair. Installation completed.